SnatchBot Chatbot Review Usage Experience. Welcome to the SnatchBot Chatbot Review, where I'll share my in-depth experience with this platform. If you're looking for a robust and versatile chatbot solution, you've come to the right place. As always, links to the product are provided in the description below for your convenience. SnatchBot is a powerful AI-driven chatbot platform designed to cater to businesses of all sizes. Its primary appeal lies in its no-code development environment, making it an ideal choice for users who lack programming skills but still want to build sophisticated bots. From customer service automation to marketing campaigns and lead generation, SnatchBot provides a suite of tools that can adapt to various industries and use cases. One of the platform's standout features is its multi-channel support. With SnatchBot, you can deploy your chatbot across websites, messaging apps like Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp, email, and even voice assistants. This ensures a seamless customer experience across all touchpoints. Additionally, the natural language processing (NLP) capabilities are impressive, enabling bots to understand user intent and respond intelligently, making interactions feel natural and human-like. The platform also provides a wide range of pre-designed templates to help you get started quickly. These templates cover common use cases such as FAQ bots, appointment scheduling, and e-commerce assistance. For those who need more customization, SnatchBot allows advanced users to integrate APIs and use custom scripts for tailored functionalities. SnatchBot offers an intuitive analytics dashboard, giving you detailed insights into user behavior, bot performance, and engagement metrics. These analytics are invaluable for fine-tuning your chatbot and achieving better results over time. Moreover, the platform is free to use for basic features, with paid plans offering advanced functionalities like API integrations and enhanced security. In summary, SnatchBot is a feature-rich chatbot platform that's accessible to both beginners and experienced developers. Its no-code approach, multi-channel capabilities, and robust analytics make it a versatile tool for businesses looking to enhance customer engagement and streamline operations. If you're considering trying SnatchBot, don't forget to check the links in the description. Thanks for watching, and I hope this review helps you make an informed decision.